of Fog and the Sustainable Tourism, Outstanding Award Tourism Sportive and Promotion Organization category in 2008. Kyung, a small area of Ampere Nopitam, which local people living there simply believe is perfect for nature tourism. It is in the location of two important national parks, Khao Luang and Khao Nan. Here, there is a viewpoint in which you can see a sea of fog on Khao Lake Mountain, which was the location of my photo on you can go to the Hong Cave, famous for its beautiful stalactites hanging from the ceiling and stalagmite rising from the floor. Klong Klai is an important canal of Kyung that lies main blood vessel. Lots of people go rubber reading on it during the raining seasons. For those who love to trek and study nature, Kyung is interesting because of its fertile wide forests which are full of trees or one Mahasadam plant that have existed as far back as the Nixero era. Along the way, visitors may visit and study historical sites, and Kyung was once a base for communist tourism. Kyung is a very popular tourist attraction with great concern about sustaining its environmental conservation. Its local people have established the Kyung Sea of Fog Group in 2005 to take care of the natural environment while also promoting tourism and souvenirs. This group has received several awards, including the Outstanding Tourism Award from TAT in 2008. Tourism activity. The trip to see Kyung is suitable for nature lovers, of course, and there are many things to do. Starting in the morning, visitors can catch the sea of fog on Khao Lake Mountain. After that, they can observe the lifestyle of villagers or visit the Kyung hot spring for the day. Other options include checking out the Hong Cave, rafting on the Klong Klai, bird watching, and swimming at the beautiful Kyung waterfall. Visitors should spend at the least 2 days here. Travel information from Nakhon Si Thammarat, take route 4016 to Nareng Junction and turn left on route 4140 to Ampere Nopitam. Then turn right on the Wrong Leg Junction to route 41